Welcome to Class 5 NCERT Chapter 6 Be My Multiple, I Will Be a Factor Part 2. Meow Game, page number 89. Let's play a game. All stand in a circle. Children, and in circle what do? You play the circle games. One player calls out 1. So, one player is calling out 1. See, I have put a number here. One player is calling out 1. The next player says 2. What will the next player say? 2, and so on. A player who has to call out 3 or a number which can be divided by 3 has to say meow instead of the number. So, after 1, 2, and then if the number is divisible by 3 or divided by 3, then they should say meow. For example, 1, 2, then what comes? 3. So, instead of 3, what should you say? Meow. Next, 4, 5. Next comes 6. 6 is divisible by 3 because 3 2s are 6. So, there you should say meow. Okay, children, understood? So, one who forgets to say meow is out of the game. The last player left is the winner. Which numbers did you replace with meow? So, now they are asking us which numbers did you replace with meow. Like in the last we have seen the Kunjan, the cat and the Kunjan. There we saw 2 skip, yes or no? Like that 4 skip and all we saw. Similarly, now we have to see here the multiples of 3. That is where all we are saying meow? 3, 6 and then 9. So, what are these called as? They are known as multiples of 3. The numbers which replace with meow are multiples of 3. So, what we call them? We call them as multiples of 3 because it is exactly divisible by 3. Is 4 a multiple of 3? No, because is it divisible by 3? No, we will get remainder as 1. So, now let us see what are the numbers that are multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. We have infinite number of multiples. Okay, children, we cannot stop. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 like that will get infinite number of multiples. So, understood what is multiples of 3? It should be divided by the given number. If I ask multiples of 2, what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, like that. So on. Now, multiples of 4. Similarly, like this they are asking us to write the multiples of 4. So, what are the multiples of 4? Come on guess. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on you will get. If you have given till 40, you can know because it is 4 table. More than 40 if it is given and you don't know whether you have to find is it multiple or not, what you will do? In the last part I have told you the division method, yes or no? Divide and see if remainder is exactly 0, then it is multiple of that number. Now, 10 multiples of 5. So, give the 10 multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. So, all these are the multiples of 5. Dice game, page number 90. Take 2 dice and throw together as shown. So, what they are asking us to take 2 dice, okay. For example, see I am showing you here. 2 dice you will take and throw it together. Then see what are the numbers that turn up on the faces of the dice. So, if you put a dice, you will get any number from 1 to 6, yes or no? So, that time after putting 2 dice, see what are the numbers which you got. Make 2-digit number using the dice. So, what you have to make? You have to make 2-digit number. For example, see the above dice made, I have put a dice, yes or no? It is showing 1 and 1. See, it is showing 1 and 1 when I put it. See once again 1 and 1. So, the number what I can make from that is 11. Understood, children? Now, then if it is multiple of any numbers written near the circle, then we have to write it in that circle. Just now we have seen the multiples, yes or no? What are multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So the number which we are getting is multiple of any of the number given near the circles, 6, 4, 5, 7. If it is multiple, then we have to put. See, the number which I made is 11. Is 11 multiple of 6? No. 4? No. 5? No. 7? No. So I will not put that number here. Okay, children. Now, one more example. Now I have put a dice. In that, one dice is 3, the other dice is 2. So what number I will make? 32? Sure. Can't I make 23? Yeah. So here is a confusion. Now I have 3 and 2 on my dice. If I make 23, it is not multiple of any of the numbers. 23 is multiple of 6? No. 4? No. 5? No. 7? No. So now try the other way. So now I'll make 32. Now 32 in 6 table, do you will get 32? No. 4 table? Yes. 5 table? No. 7 table? No. Then 32 I will write it here. Understood, children? Now for example, here one dice is there. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. So what the number I can make? 14. And 14 is a multiple of 7. So 14 I can write here. And if I see the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1, 41. Is 41 a multiple? No. That's why I'll take it as 14. Understood how to play this game? You can play with your parents or with your friends and all. Okay, children? Now, for example, one more. What is this? 6 and 6, 66. So I can't interchange anything. 66. So 66 is multiple of 6. Yes, 6 11s are 66. That's why I have put in this way. So now like this, who gets more numbers in 10 rounds? Like that you play for 10 times. You play the dice for 10 times, and who get more number, they will be the winner. Okay, children? Understood? Now, common multiples, page number 91. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle. If it is a multiple of 5, write it in the blue circle. Okay, in blue part you will write if it is multiple of 5, and in red part if you will write if it is multiple of 3. Now, what are the multiples of 3 first for that? What are the multiples? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, so on you will get multiples of 3. And then write the multiples of 5. So you will write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Yes or no? So see here, but you are having, when you write 3, 6, 9, 12, then when you come to 15, what is happening? 15 is there in 5 also. 15 is a multiple of 5 also. So where will write? Whether in red or in blue. So that's why we have marked it as red. Next, similarly 30 and 45. Okay, all these are multiples of both 3 and 5. So first I'll write the numbers which is only multiple of 3, like 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, so on. Like that, similarly the multiples of 5 I'll write it. 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 30 will I write it here? No, because 30 is multiple of 3 also. That's why 30 I didn't write. 35, 40, 50, 55 and so on. Now the question comes, the numbers, some numbers are multiples of both 3 and 5. They are common to both 3 and 5. Meaning, if you write the multiples common to 3 and 5 in purple part, then will they still be in both red and blue circles? Now, they are common to red part and they are common to blue part also. So, the common part of red and blue is this purple part. So, if I write those numbers here, will it be common to red and blue both? Yes, yes, it will be common. So, those numbers, that is 15, 30, 45, I will write in this common part, and these are known as common multiples. What are that known as? Common multiples, because it is multiple of 3 also and multiple of 5 also. These numbers are only multiples of 3. These are only multiples of 5. These are common multiples of 3 and 5. Which is the smallest among these common multiples? Which is the smallest common multiple? 15 is a common multiple of smallest common multiple of 3 and 5. If I ask you the biggest, can we say? No, because they are infinite multiples. Okay children, now write the common multiples of 2 and 7. So first multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. That is the 7 table like that you will put it. Okay. Next, then the common multiples of both 2 and 7 are. So what are the common multiples? 14, 14, yes, like that you will get 28. See, is it divided or not? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 1 second, I will take a pen. So, is 28 divided or not? 28 if I take, is it divided by 2 or not? See, yes, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 18. Like that if I take 42, that is also divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Next, if I take 56, that is also divisible. 2 twos are 4, 1, 2 eights are 16. So, like this you have to check whether it is divisible or not. Okay children, understood? So, it is divisible. So, what are the common multiples of both the numbers? What are the common multiples? Come on, tell me. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, all these are common multiples. And if it ends with even numbers, then it is multiple of 2. Okay children, 14, 28, 42, 56 and 70. So, where you will write this 14, 28 and that you will write it in purple part. Remaining numbers you will write 3 multiples of 3 here, multiples of 5 here, common multiples of 3 and 5 in the purple part. Now, repeat the game by putting the multiples of 4, 6, 5 in the circles. In the circles, they are asking us to put the multiples of 4, 6 and 5. So, for that first we have to find the multiples of 4, then multiples of 6, then multiples of 5. Okay children, 4 table 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, like that so on. Similarly, you will find out multiples of 6. Then you will find out multiple of 5. Okay. Next, then you will find out the common multiples. 12 common for this, common for this, common for this. No, it is common only for 4 and 6. Before we did only for 2 digits. Now we are finding for 3 numbers, 4, 6 and 5. So, first I will find the common multiples of 4 and 6 and write here. So, what is that? 12, 24, 36. Next, 4 and 5. What is common for 4 and 5? It will be easy, yes or no? 20, 40, like that. Next, multiples of 6 and 5 we will find out. So, what is multiples of 6 and 5? 13. And is there any common multiple for 4, 6 and 5? All the numbers together. Yes, that is 16. Understood? Check out whether it is common multiple or not. Check how you will check out. So, 60, yes or no? 60 divided by 4. 60 divided by 4 is how much? 4 ones are 4. 2 will come here, 20. 4 5s 15. So, how much you will get here? 15. Okay. Similarly, 6 when you will get 6 10s are 60. Similarly, 5 table when you will get 5 ones are 5, 1 carry 10. So, 5 2s are 10. Understood? So, is it divisible or not? Yes, it is divisible. It is divisible. Now, let us put. So, common multiples of only multiples of 4. First, we will write it in the red box. 4, 8, 16, 28, 32 like that. Okay. And only multiples of 6 you will put it in this yellow box. Only multiples of 5 you will put it in this blue box. Okay children. Now, this one which is their orange box, it is common multiples of 4 and 6. That is common multiples what I got? 12, 24, 36. That's why I have put it here. Now, next common multiples of 4 and 5. What we got? 20 and 40. So, that we are putting it here. Common multiple of 6 and 5. That will put it here. What is that? 30. Common multiple of 4, 6, 5. This is all 3 colors are involved. Yes or no here? Blue, yellow and red. So, common of 4, 5 and 6. What we got? 60. 60 we will put it here. And remaining only multiples of 4, only multiples of 6, only multiples of 5 here. Okay children? Understood? you take other numbers like that, simple numbers, then you can easily understand this. Okay children, thank you.